In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your microphone audio volume or level on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and search for Settings. Best result should come back with Settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select Sound. And then you want to go down underneath the input section and select your microphone input device. And you can adjust the input volume by dragging this bar to the left or right. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.